Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create your very own wallpaper with the Wonderland module on your Samsung Galaxy device. So the Wonderland module from Goodlock lets you to design your own animated interactive wallpapers, so you can add images, create motion effects, and even make wallpapers that react to your touch or device movement. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Goodlock app. In the Goodlock app, you're going to go ahead and open up the Wonderland module. Here we'll go ahead and create your own moving wallpaper. Now we'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign and we'll go ahead and choose a photo from our gallery. So let's go ahead and choose this. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on the plus sign and you can go ahead and choose, and you can go ahead and add images, text, videos, particle effects, and particle presence. So here we can go ahead and choose some images. So let's just think about this heart. Next we can go ahead and choose text. You can apply the movement as well. Next, you can go ahead and add videos and then particle effects as well. So particle effects will basically add some moving particles moving around on your screen. So like this. If you touch the screen, it'll basically add some effect on your screen. So now once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap on save here at the top right, press save. And then go ahead and set this as your wallpaper. So you can go ahead and set this for your home screen and lock screen or both. So we'll go ahead and choose both. Now we can go ahead and play around with our wallpaper. So as you can see, when I tap anywhere on screen, it basically gives me an effect. You have this falling flower effect on the lock screen. You'll see that effect as well. So you can add a photo of your pet and make it move when you tilt your phone up and down. You can create a galaxy star field that shifts as you swipe your screen. And you can design personalized animation for special occasions like birthday or holiday. So it transforms your wallpaper into something living and interactive, making your phone truly yours. So there you go guys, that is how to create your very own wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.